In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best water softeners in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which water softeners is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, PUREPLUS Tankless Reverse Filtration. 1 mug/7.6s, less than 1 mug unclean drain water discharged when producing 1.5 cups pure water. Faster rates, less wastewater. This certainly is much easier than lugging around gallons of water weekly from the shop, and also the top quality will certainly be comparable. PUREPLUS RO water filter system is honestly worth every dime. The 2-in-1 pay-per-click filter lowers 100% of big fragments, 99.99% recurring chlorine, shade, and also smell. The RO filter has an accurate pore dimension of 0.0001 microns, which can eliminate over 99.99% of heavy metals including lead, mercury, PFAS, cadmium, as well as greater than 1,000 kinds of toxins. Constructed in LED light will certainly notify you real-time TDS worth and also advise you to change filters when always. The PUREPLUS RO water system is geared up with a WISE LED faucet with a high-grade waterproof display. The screen can present the TDS worth of the filtered water in real time. When the filter needs to be replaced, it will certainly trigger you to replace it in time, offering you an easier experience. Avoids second contamination in the water container, saves 75% of the space, fits completely under the sink, minimizes sound and prevents water leak. Paired with the vehicle flushing function of the PUREPLUS RO system, giving you with every decrease of ultra-fresh water. Here is the item number 4, Aquasure Water Softener. Perfect for residences with 3 to 4 shower rooms and also up to 5 relatives that desire softened water as well as tidy, chemical-free water for the whole household. Reduces water costs by removing bits as well as chemicals at the water source, and also prolongs the life of family devices. Ranked to treat 48K grains of firmness by removing skin-damaging tough minerals like iron and magnesium that congest the skin pore and also trigger irritation. Remarkable performance and high reliable Aquatrol control head, as well as high capability sediment/GAC pre-filter help save water as well as minimize total upkeep expense. Constructed of high toughness, premium quality products with simple to mount quick connection make it an optimal system for any kind of residence. The item number 3, USA Fleck 5600 SXT Metered Softener. Made in the USA as well as imported. Streak 5K 600 SXT Whole Home Water Softener 48K Grain Capability 1.5 cubic feet Softener Resin. Reliable on salt and also water usage due to digital as needed metered water conditioner just back cleans as needed. 10x 54-inch structural made in the United States black fiberglass mineral storage tank structural black 14x 34. Streak 5K 600 SXT metered as needed control valve A microprocessor control screens, actions as well as remember your real daily conditioned water usage. Neural bypass with a 1-inch male threaded yoke for easier installment link to set up video clips sent out through Amazon Messenger upon shipment. Number 2 in our list, GEGX MH31H Water Softener. GE Unique SmartSoft technology makes sure there is constantly lots of softened water readily available by discovering a family's water use patterns. GE Special Custom Choose to Mix Shutoff permits you to select exactly how soft you want your water. GE Special Salt Saver helps reduce salt consumption. Advanced Filtration reduces chlorine preference and also smell with built-in water purification. Grainability 31K. The top one in our list, Aquasure Harmony Series Water Softener. Lowers firmness in the water as well as gets rid of scale, area buildup for the entire residence. Ranked to treat 48K grains of hardness by getting rid of skin harmful hard minerals like iron and magnesium that clog up the skin pore and create inflammation. Geared up with Aquatrol Advanced Digital On-Demand Meter Control Head, in and out bypass, 1-inch NPT man adapter, as well as pre-filled superior quality material. Included, dead time, metered as well as hands-on double backwash for maximum regeneration, cleaning, and also performance. Every Aquasure water conditioner is created of high-toughness deterioration-immune fiberglass-lined polyethylene storage tank, long-lasting bypass shutoff and pre-filled costs-grade resin. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best water softeners amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.